This Dremel is the first Dremel rotary tool to allow tool-less and collet-less accessory changes with the inclusion of the 3-jaw chuck. The chuck accepts all Dremel accessory shank sizes for fast and convenient accessory changes without ever using a wrench, featuring the all-new pivot light. Your projects are well lit with an optimum line of sight since the light pivots to direct illumination where you want it. Experiencing the full range of Dremel rotary tool applications is easier than ever because it offers our most powerful motor with built-in variable speed and electronic feedback circuitry. And the slim, ergonomic body design provides a comfortable 360-degree grip zone no matter how you hold it for extended ease of use. The completely redesigned airflow system lets the Dremel run cool, quiet, and smooth, so completing projects are more enjoyable than ever. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Premium Rotary Toolkit. Includes high-performance rotary tool, 5 attachments, 40 high-quality Dremel accessories, and plastic storage case. Number 2. High-performance motor. Our most powerful motor delivers maximum performance even in the most demanding applications. Number 3. Variable speed. 5,000 to 35,000 RPM with electronic feedback for consistent performance and accurate tool control. Number 4. Universal 3-jaw chuck. Allows the use of all Dremel accessory shank sizes, making it compatible with the entire line of our high-quality accessories. Number 5. Pivot light. Rotates to illuminate your projects even in difficult-to-reach spaces. Number 6. Innovative airflow system. Ventilation mechanism helps prevent heat buildup for smoother, cooler, and quieter operation. Number 7. Replaceable brushes. Motor brushes can be replaced to extend tool life. Number 8. Slim and ergonomic body. For added comfort and grip during extended use. Number 9. Separate on/off switch and speed dial. For added convenience and control. Number 10. Accessory and attachment compatible. Accommodates all Dremel rotary accessories and attachments for thousands of applications. Attachments in the kit include pivot light, 675 lawn mower, and garden tool sharpener, a 550 shield rotary attachment, 565 multipurpose cutting kit, a 576 sanding, grinding guide, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.